Most people get this wrong and think they can open a few emails and instantly make serious money. Here's the truth no one tells you. You can get paid to read emails in 2026, but the earnings are small, and the real value comes from consistency and stacking multiple reward activities. In this video, you'll learn how email paid apps actually work, which types are legit, and how people realistically turn this into extra side income without wasting time. Let's break it down. First, understand the system behind it. Companies want attention. They pay platforms to send promotional emails or ads. Those platforms then share a small portion of that revenue with users who open emails, click links, or complete small actions. Now here's where it gets interesting. You are not being paid for just reading words. You are being paid for engagement. That means opening emails, staying active, and sometimes completing simple offers inside those emails. One example of a platform in this space is Swagbucks. It includes paid email offers, surveys, and promotional tasks. Users earn points that can be converted into gift cards or PayPal Cash depending on region availability. But here's the problem most beginners face. They expect email reading alone to generate significant income. In reality, email tasks are just one small part of a larger reward system. The real earnings usually come from combining emails with surveys, offers, or daily check-ins. Now imagine someone like Alex. He signs up for a rewards platform and starts checking promotional emails daily. At first, he earns just a few cents worth of points. But then he combines emails with short surveys and app offers. Over time, his rewards start adding up into redeemable gift cards. Now here's an important reality check. These apps are not a replacement for a job. They are micro-earning tools. Think of them as earning small rewards during idle time, like waiting for a bus or scrolling on your phone. To get better results, you need a simple strategy. First, use only trusted platforms with proven payout history. Second, create a separate email account so your main inbox stays clean. Third, stay consistent and avoid skipping tasks for long periods because activity levels matter. Also be careful of scams. If any app promises hundreds of dollars per day just for reading emails, that is not realistic. Legit platforms are transparent about small earnings. So is getting paid to read emails worth it in 2026? Yes, but only as a side activity. It works best when combined with other reward tasks and when you treat it as passive micro-income instead of a primary earning method. To wrap it up, paid email apps are real, but they reward attention in small amounts, not big payouts. Consistency and realistic expectations are what make them useful. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment what you want reviewed next, and subscribe for more honest breakdowns like this.